What you're about to see is not just a repair, it's a battle against time itself. Beneath this weathered exterior lies a secret, a story of decay hidden from sight. Every screw, every panel removed, brings us closer to a truth that cannot be ignored. With the final fastenings released, the moment of truth arrives. The floor is pulled back, unveiling the astonishing damage that time has inflicted. The intricate systems must be carefully disconnected. Even the heart of the machine's power is methodically isolated. The safety systems, once a silent guardian, are gently set aside. The old interior, a vessel of memories, is rolled away for the last time. Now exposed, the unforgiving rust shows its relentless grip. The delicate process of separating the damaged sections begins. A gaping wound in the car's foundation, a testament to years of neglect. With a surgeon's precision, the compromised metal is cut away. Every anchor point of the old structure must be released. The debris of the past is swept away, clearing the path for renewal. The scale of the necessary restoration is truly laid bare. Sparks fly in a defiant dance. As the fight to save this classic intensifies, the painstaking removal of decay continues, a critical step in this transformative journey. Each section of rust is a battle won, revealing the true form beneath. Slowly but surely, the weakened edges are carved out. A powerful grinder joins the fight, showering the workspace in a torrent of sparks. Even the smallest details are attended to, sealing the body against the elements. The excised metal, a brittle shell of what it once was, lies discarded. The new canvas is marked, a blueprint for the restoration ahead. The surrounding area is prepared, making way for fresh steel. With careful precision, new anchor points are painstakingly created. A gleaming piece of new metal is introduced, a symbol of hope and rebirth. The air ignites with energy as the old is prepared to merge with the new. The first spark of the weld, a transformative moment where two eras meet. Molten light stitches the metal together, forging a new, stronger reality. The first permanent bond is made, a single point of immense strength, point by point. The structure is reborn, fused together with fire and skill. The new panel becomes one with the old frame, a seamless integration. The fresh welds are smoothed and refined, erasing the scars of the operation. Another piece of the puzzle is meticulously measured and marked for its new home. Even the smallest imperfections on the original frame are filed away. The repaired section stands as a testament to the dedication of its restorer with powerful, deliberate strikes. The new panel is shaped into place, finer adjustments are made, ensuring a perfect, almost invisible fit. The surrounding machinery, a silent witness, waits for the car to be whole again. A close look reveals the memory of old wounds, soon to be erased forever. Once again, the grinder sings its fiery song, preparing another section for rebirth. The last remnants of corrosion are carefully scraped away. This is a slow, methodical process, where patience is paramount. The sheer scope of the project is immense, a complex web of mechanics and rust. The new metal is cleaned and prepared, pristine and ready for its purpose. Held firmly in place, the patch awaits the final act of fusion. With an intense flash of light, the car's body is stitched back together. The brilliant fire of the weld is a symbol of the vehicle's own resurrection. Careful hands guide the process, ensuring a bond that will last for decades. The new metal is hammered, conforming perfectly to the car's original lines. Heat is applied, melding the patch seamlessly into the surrounding structure. The finishing process begins, grinding the weld into a smooth, undetectable seam. It is a task of precision, where every detail matters. Slowly, the signs of repair vanish, leaving only smooth, solid steel. The repair panel now stands strong, though the shadow of past decay lingers nearby. From a wider view, the transformation is astonishing. A blend of old and new. The focus now shifts to the vehicle's frame, the very skeleton of the machine. Here too, new steel has been grafted onto the old, a lifeline for the ailing structure. Another assault begins on a separate pocket of decay, the air once more filled with sparks. In a storm of light and sound, the damaged metal is cut away. The process is intense, a cascade of fiery particles, revealing the raw metal beneath. The newly exposed surface is cleaned, prepared for its structural reinforcement. A long, continuous weld demonstrates the strength of the ongoing repairs. The process repeats. Each part of the frame inspected and fortified. A delivery arrives, carrying large, custom fabricated panels for the undercarriage. The entire underside of the car is revealed, a complex system awaiting reconstruction. The new heavy gauge steel is cut to precise dimensions. A new piece of the framework is offered up, a test fit before becoming permanent. Carefully, the large floor pan is maneuvered into its final resting place. Holes are drilled, preparing to anchor the new foundation to the frame. Even the smallest brackets are custom shaped from raw steel. As evening approaches, the classic car waits patiently, its transformation well underway. Intense light floods the undercarriage as the new floor is permanently welded into place. The finishing process is just as crucial, ensuring a flawless surface. The grinder smooths the new welds, making the repair virtually undetectable. The undercarriage is now whole, a solid foundation for the next phase of this incredible journey. The intense process of welding continues, each spark a testament to the meticulous work. The heat and light are immense as metal is fused, creating a bond stronger than the original. A brilliant flash signifies the completion of another crucial weld. The freshly welded seams are immediately cleaned and prepared for finishing. The focused arc of the welder continues its journey, stitching the car's body back to life. Subtle adjustments are made with a hammer, ensuring every contour is perfect. The final welds are placed with precision, securing the last of the new panels. The surface is scoured and cleaned, erasing any trace of the extensive surgery. Attention to detail is paramount in these final stages. The metal is ground to a smooth, uniform finish, ready for its protective coating. Inside, the delicate work of restoring the electronics begins. A thorough inspection of the now solid undercarriage confirms the success of the repairs. Soon, this view from the driver's seat will no longer look out on a work in progress. The fabrication of smaller, custom components is a painstaking art form. Each piece is carefully cut from raw material. Metal is bent and shaped, perfectly matching the original design specifications. These small parts are welded with the same care as the large structural panel. The finished piece is refined and smoothed, ready for installation. The process is a cycle of fire and refinement, building the car back from its core. The result is a surface that is both strong and seamless, the scars of the past. Now, just a memory, a protective layer is applied, the first step in safeguarding the new floor. Light is shed on the next phase. As the workspace is prepared for reassembly, the surface is meticulously scrubbed and cleaned, ensuring a perfect bond for the new coatings. New metal, fresh and unblemished, waits for its moment of installation. With a flash of brilliant light, the final patch is welded into place. The car's foundation is methodically sealed, a shield against future corrosion. This fiery process ensures a permanent, watertight bond throughout the floor pan. Even the original seats are undergoing restoration, their frames stripped of decades of rust. The discarded pieces are a stark reminder of the car's near-fatal decay. The intricate underpinnings of the chassis show the complexity of the restoration. Old components are carefully removed, making way for their refurbished counterparts. The last of the welding completes the structural puzzle. The new seams shine, a network of strength where there was once only weakness. The transformation is almost complete. As the final sections are made whole, the floor is now a single, solid piece of engineering. The welding torch makes its final pass. The result is a work of art hidden beneath the car. The last fiery stitches are woven into the fabric of the car. A foundation, reborn in fire, is now ready for the future. With the structural work complete, the final refinement begins. Now begins the aesthetic restoration. Smoothing the surfaces for a new finish. A special filler is applied, sealing every seam and creating a flawless surface. This sealant provides an extra layer of protection, guarding the hard-won repairs. A hammered finish is chosen, offering both durability and a classic look. The new floor is coated, a rich, dark color that signifies a new beginning. Through a fractured windshield, the driver's seat waits to be restored to its former glory. The car, once a forgotten relic, is now poised for its triumphant return. The body is cleaned and prepped. The final steps before reassembly. From this state of utter decay, a new layer of life is rolled out, providing sound and heat insulation. The insulation is cut and shaped to fit perfectly. Beneath it, the car's wiring is carefully reinstalled. The complex electrical nervous system is brought back online. Each wire is secured, organized for reliability and safety. Modern tools ensure every placement is exact. New pathways are created for the restored systems. The new wiring is carefully secured over the insulation. It's a journey from a broken state to a perfected machine. The worn carpet is inspected one last time before being replaced. The interior surfaces are given a final, thorough cleaning. The car's weary edges are the last to receive attention. The careful disassembly of the interior trim begins anew. The seats must be removed to make way for the new carpet. Every bolt tells a story of the car's long history. The last of the old fixtures are unfastened. Even the dashboard is given a detailed cleaning, reviving its original luster. The heart of the car's electrical system, the battery, is inspected and cleaned. The journey to the road is almost complete.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Simon Fordman for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.